Saya rasa macam saya nak pindah sini dan saya nak jadi museum, jadi translator untuk orang Melayu. Today is our last full day dekat sini. Tomorrow kita orang pukul 5 je. Lepas tu kita orang kena gerak kat airport. Tak start nak demam ni. Saya rasa as soon as saya jejaknya cuaca Malaysia tu rasa macam saya akan demam. Tidur dapat batuk. Wow, matahari.
The new jacket from H&M and new skirt from Primark.
Kau ingat aku banyak baju, dia lagi banyak baju. Macam risau sikit lah yang ni. Macam risaukan ni. Of course lah, the only time that I didn't bring jacket is probably the coldest day ever. Tak boleh masuk lagi sebab belum pukul 10. Wow! Dinosaur number 1. Finally dapat masuk. Kita orang kena beratur. Look at the line. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. What? I'm reaching my flow state right now. There's like doors after doors after doors after doors. This is huge. What even is this? So bahagian gunung berapi dah. Tadi rasa macam kat bahagian dinosaur. Dia macam besar sangat dah. Tiba-tiba dah masuk alam lain dah ni. Masuk bahagian earthquake dah pula. I don't even know apa benda ni. Saya dah lost. Saya tak tahu lah ni section apa, saya tak tahu lah. Saya terpaksa bawa banana around sebab saya dah sakit kepala. Jom kita tengok berapa ribu barang-barang kat sini. This is so cute. It's only like 12 pounds. Should I beli something from here, but there's nothing really yang menarik. Habis lagi ya museum dia. Tadi baru masuk kedai ni tau. That is insane. Ada atas lagi weh. What even is up there? More stuff. Ini aku tak tahu apa benda. I don't even know. Pada bapak dia besar It's huge. And I'm pretty sure that ada levels yang kita tak pergi lagi. Portobello Market. Oriental wraps. Bags. There's a lot of halal option here. What do you halal?
Let's go down here.
Berapa banyak Oh my god. What is this? It's so long. Saya tak rasa kita orang jalan like even half of it, but it's okay. Not looking for anything. Notting Hill Bookshop. Pernah aku tengok cerita Notting Hill ni sebenarnya. Tak tahu lah kenapa beratur dekat bookshop ni. Tapi comel. Jangan berhenti.
Thank you so much. Yes. Do you like Pokemon?
Ada coffee shop sebelah dia. Another random purchase matcha punya Nespresso pot. Finally ada matcha. Dekat Malaysia tak ada matcha. Famous ya road ni. Famous. Hell. It's so cute. Oh, so cute.
6, 7.
Dua benda dia nak beli dalam ni. I'm overstimulated. Jom, let's go out. Notting Hill. I don't know if you can see. Tapi ramai gila orang. Oh, ada lagi siap market dia. Lotak dia. Huh? Portobello. Ada pizza ke? Look how massive. Another one. Another one. Here come the market. Wait, ramai orang mat. Look, Martin. Look how big it is. Did I show you my outfit yet today? This is the outfit. Saya terpaksa pakai saya punya Salomon because my feet dah start sakit. Macam budak-budak hipster lepak sini. Kat Malaysia dah tak ada hipster dah. Semua orang nak jadi estetik. Macam ramai dah budak hipster kat Malaysia tu. Makanlah lagi apa lagi kat sini. That is massive. More food. Struggle lah makan. Sana orang makan semua diri lah. More food. What? Saya rasa macam saya going on a food hunt je dekat London ni. Pithead. Oh, taco. Taco. Bapak berhentinya.
Tak pernah makan. Yang dia punya kan biasanya
Kacak ada boleh tak?
RM30.
Malam minggu. Ya kan orang main sini banyak imigran. Balik jarang gila dengar orang cakap bahasa Inggeris. Banyaknya orang cakap bahasa lain daripada bahasa Inggeris. Macam Italy ke France ke, dalam bas ke, tempat turis ke, tempat nak turis, cakap kedai pun bukan orang dia. Cakap bahasa karat. Ya Allah. Tengok tu orang nak masuk trend je. Sangat orang. It's so much nice and clean. Ini dia punya yang baru. Yeah. There's legit nothing here other than a dark in the middle of the. Masa untuk pack sebab besok nak balik. I don't think there's like any footage of me pakai baju semalam. It was so stressful. As always lah ya, kota London is raining. Semalam je lah ada matahari. Hari ni dah tak ada lah. Last. I'm dripping with air right now. Ramai orang dalam tu lah. It's raining, so cold. Mat air. Token saya basah. Nothing beats Malaysia punya MRT. Yes, it is so dirty. Selama ni dia macam hujan manja-manja, but today no. It's like melebat gila. Tak main-main hujan dia. Dah masuk pesawat. Malah aku nak bergatur cerita dia pun aku tak tengok habis. Kat fog. They do have the book. How much is it? I just don't like the cover. This is actually so cute. This looks super packed from here. Macam biasa Siti lepas beli terpakai. Ini badan dah kering. My sock is wet. Tolong memalukan lucu lah. Dekat Westfield, sebab we need to exchange saya punya seluar Primark. Bapak besar Primark dia. Last lah Primark kali ni kan. Last lah. Primark is so much nicer and cleaner. Beli size 8. I think need to change to size 10 kot. Yeah, I found this for £1. Do I need any more baju tidur? No. Just for your information, yes, I am walking around with soaking yang basah. Very uncomfortable, but ringgit je mat, but how do I bring it home? This is so cute. Tiba-tiba ada lagi. Naruto. Dia baru tekas token. Dah 2 kali dah saya terpaksa beli token baru lah on this trip. Kenapa Oh, this mall is huge. This boat is huge. Tak ada masa lah sebab kita dah pukul 1 dah. We need to be back at 5. I don't need anything. Dah kot lagi masa dah cukup. This is huge. This is macam your eye Putrajaya. Dia sama. Oh, what is it so? It's huge and have every brand that you could ever think of. Semua saya basah. Mungkin saya basah. Saya terpaksa tukar kasut sebab kasut saya basah. Bila-bila last day macam everything nak beli. This is banana pudding. Oh, the price. There's the reason why I never vlog. Aku stress dia babi kat airport. Tak kisah airport mana pun. Tak, officer dia pun senyum. Dia macam tahu muka. Actually terbit 2. Akak tu pula tengah training. Ada orang kat belakang. Pukul 8. We have another 2-3 hours. Nampak macam saya dah berbaju baru kan. Tapi jangan tertipu, saya belum mandi lagi. Diorang ada level dekat Dubai. Saya cukup tidur. Saya rasa macam saya nak maki semua orang. Also I had to wear my boots sebab my kasut basah. Here's a guide if korang nak buat Dubai layover. So korang kena keluar je macam biasa dekat arrivals tu.
10 to 15 will go around Black Yes.
Dan ni dekat belakang Boots by Metro. Bapak senang siap mana nak airport kan dia punya ni. Beli tiket day pass dekat sini. Tiket yang ni 22. Stop is Dubai Mall. Weh, bawa besar gila kunia ni. Oh, I'm so tired right now and tak cukup tidur. The last thing that I want to do is walk in a mall. Tak tahu kenapa lah aku makan Chinese kat Dubai. Penat tu. Dia fikir mat. Aku macam sabun lah. Sabun tandas. Janji lah ni lah. Janji. Wow. Besar babi Sephora dia. Sephora ada kursi babe. Kenapa yang ni? It's like strawberry mojito from Ava tu. Oh my god. Tapi bapak mana saya cream. Ni kat Malaysia pakai ni memang ketiba sepiak My favourite would be by the figure. Okay. Some whatever reason saya rasa macam sini macam lagi mahal. Dan keluar pula nak tengok Burj Khalifa. Asal dia buat Burj Khalifa kat tepi aircon lah. Oh, okay. Tak sampai rumah. Why is everything so massive? Oh my god, this is huge. Candelicious ni dulu ada kat Malaysia, dekat Orang Utama ke dekat Asal Pyramid. But now they're all tutup. Nampak macam menarik. Mango Rister Hin. Tapi RM20 man. Oh, I'm so tempted to buy a book. But I have not read a book in like 2 months, so I actually came in and bought a book. I bought it was only like RM23, so it's fine. Stop. Saya dah tak function. So cute. Siapa yang buat merch dia ni need a raise dia sebab comel doh. It's like a little notebook with a pen.
المحطة القادمة هي